Hello everyone. Welcome to the Developmental Stage channel. Today we will talk about one of the most important elements that shape our lives, the power of habits, brain. Do you know what the biggest difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is? Habits, yes, the little things we do every day either lead us to success or make us stagnate. So how can we manage our habits consciously? Take your coffee with you. Let's discover it together. 1. What is the power of habits? High voltage. Habits are behaviors that we repeat constantly without realizing it. Like waking up in the morning and looking at our phone, brushing our teeth, or drinking coffee. But the secret is this: even small habits produce big results. As James Clear says in his book Atomic Habits, even 1% daily improvements can revolutionize our lives in the long run. In other words, if you choose your habits consciously, you will thank yourself in the future. Just think, if you get just 1% better every day, you can be a 37 times better version of yourself at the end of a year. This is where the power of habits comes into play. 2. How to get rid of bad habits prohibited. I know it's not easy to quit bad habits. But the trick is to recognize the elements that trigger them and replace them with a good habit. For example, are you addicted to your phone? Instead of putting your phone next to your bed, you can leave it in another room. Instead of looking at social media on your phone first thing in the morning, you can choose to read a book or exercise. In this way, you will replace a bad habit with a good habit. Also, another way to quit bad habits is to set small obstacles for yourself. For example, if you spend too much time on social media, you can set time limits for apps or turn off notifications. In this way, you can direct your attention to more productive habits. 3. How to develop good habits. White heavy check mark. The biggest secret of successful people is disciplined habits. So, how do you create a good habit? Here is the formula for creating a habit in 4 steps. Small blue diamond: make it easy. If you make a new habit difficult, it will be impossible to continue. So start step by step. For example, instead of reading a book for 1 hour every day, start with 5 minutes a day. Your brain adapts more easily when you start small. Small blue diamond: repeat. Our brain loves repetitive things. The more often you repeat a behavior, the easier it is to turn it into a habit. Constant repetition is the cornerstone of habits. Small blue diamond: reward. Give yourself small rewards. For example, if you exercised for a week, buy yourself a nice coffee. This will help your brain adopt the new habit. Small blue diamond: chain habits. You can establish new habits more easily by adding them to a habit you already have. For example, by creating a routine like, I will read a book for 5 minutes while drinking coffee, you can combine your book reading habit with your coffee drinking habit. Also, while creating a new habit, it is very important to adapt your environment to it. Let's say you want to eat healthy. Then you can remove junk food from your kitchen and replace it with healthy snacks. In this way, you will have prepared a suitable environment for the right habits. 4. Ways to make habits permanent. Counterclockwise arrows button. Making a new habit permanent is as important as acquiring it. So, how can we ensure the continuity of our habits? Set small goals. Starting with small and achievable goals instead of big ones will increase your motivation. Keep a habit calendar. Keeping track of which days you practice your habit helps you ensure continuity. Don't give up if you make a mistake. If you can't apply your habit one day, don't give up right away. The important thing is to be consistent and go back after making a mistake. 5. Your habits determine your future. Hourglass not done. What you do today determines who you will be tomorrow. So decide now which habits you want to acquire. Habits that seem small but are repeated over and over can take you to a completely different point in the long run. Remember, habits not only affect your individual successes, but also your mental and physical health. Regular exercise, meditation, or healthy nutrition will make you more energetic and productive in the long run. Finally, by adopting positive habits, you can inspire not only yourself but also those around you, because habits are contagious. If this video inspired you, leave a comment below and share with us which habits you want to change. We are waiting for your ideas on which topics you would like us to cover in future videos. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.